Today I'm going to share with you how to create a table in Excel. Here I have some sample data in the Excel file. And now I'm going to create a table for these datas. All steps will be performed as follows. First, select the data area to create the table. Then click the border on the toolbar. Click on the trigonometry of the table icon. There are many types of borders for you. Here I chose all border. After creating table, you can do some formatting operations. Here I'm going to decorate the header of the table by press Ctrl+B to bold the text. Select this icon to create a background color in the table. Justify content. Justify center the numbers column. Also, you can customize your border by select your data area. Then select more borders in the Create Table icon. Here about the table's pattern contour and where that contour pattern is applied. Here I chose the bold one and apply only to the outer border of the table. Press OK to complete. So the contour around has been replaced by bold borders. Apart from that, you can select multiple models that are available in the format as table icon. Select the style you want and click OK. So, a new model is available for table. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.